probably will enjoy with my dad. So this will be fun. My dad wants to do this for me, right, Dad? Because we are both into Legos. We're both into Legos. I sorted these out. I put names on the bags to make sure we know which ones they are. And I might try to build Sonic. So that's why I brought Sonic. Then I brought Tails and Supersonic. I might try to build one of those. And if you guys are a fan of Sonic like me, they are making a Sonic movie, but it doesn't come out to this summer. Anyway, so basically the rules are you have to build whatever the card says build. There are free cards that tell you what to build, okay? Then you have to take one of these to know how much you get. But there's a twist. There are free and not good cards. One is lose all your pieces, which means when you build something, you need to take them apart. I mean that means when you build something and you gotta lose all your pieces, you need to take the building block apart.
That's all.
I know. But guys, we're gonna play till we lose all our pieces. And just so you guys know, today is a 2-for-1 video, right, Dad? Because we are going to go to Knott's Berry Farm.
Yep.
Right, Dad?
Yes, so we're going to try and record some of our adventures at Knott's Berry Farm.
Exactly. Anyways, so let's get started. Remember to give us a thumbs up, leave a comment. I always want to check the comments, but none of you have done it. Anyways, I always like to check the comments and subscribe. Okay, Dad. You go first on this, and I'll go first on this. So, we're going to pick our cards in 3, 2, 1. Build a boat!
Wait, do I pick that card, or do I pick this card?
Okay, you pick that card.
Okay.
You get 1 Lego out, now you pick this.
Lego.
And then oh, I got 5 Legos!
You want a sword with 1 Lego?
No, Dad, you have to use all your Legos to build it.
I made a sword.
Oh my God, no.
But you said with 1.
No, Dad, because build a sword, you only take out 1 for your, you have to use all your pieces to build a sword. But that's how many you take out right now. Oh. So you're like building an outline.
Oh.
Okay, I have to build a boat with 5 pieces. Okay. What? That's 1. Ooh, Dad, I got a little motor. Guys, look at this. I got a little motor. 3 Legos.
I'm building a sword with 1 Lego.
Lego.
And meanwhile, you're picking out 5.
3.
I feel like there's something tricky on this.
Dad, I had to get out quick, so I didn't. Because there's the Spider-Man. Okay.
Oh, police.
It's a sound law enforcement. It's a sound law enforcement.
I thought it was the sound of the police.
That's what they saying go.
Oh.
Oh,
Because they don't want to use KRS-One stuff.
But I'm building my bow right now.
And my sword is complete.
Dad, no.
On guard.
Dad, you need to make an actual sword.
How can I make an actual sword with 1 piece?
Guys, Dad, it's next turn. It's your next turn.
Oh, it's my next turn, so I get to pick another number?
Uh-huh.
Now we're talking.
Ooh, look at my boat so far, guys. I mean, we're turning out.
I got 4. Now I
Four.
get 5 pieces.
So we both got 5 pieces. Dad, mine's turning out. Oh, how? Dad, look at this. Mine's turning out.
Yes, it looks like you're on your way to a boat.
Guys, I'm on my way to a boat. Look at this. It looks like, if you guys watch Minions Free, thousands are black, except black and white and gray.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Some people are black. Okay. So let's see how my dad's doing. Okay. Oh, you're trying to make a long sword?
Yes.
Okay, Dad. No. Wait. So, I'm going to do my next tip.
My sword.
That you have to make a sword out of all your pieces. That you need to make a sword out of all.
Okay, so you got.
I got 2 5s. I'm about to use all mine right now. Okay, guys. So I draw it on my pieces.
Is it my turn to pick again?
Yeah, you get to go.
So I
Guys, I think I
got a 2.
A 2. Okay, guys. So this is how we're gonna see how my dad's turned out after I build mine. Right, Dad?
I'm not even sure how this is going to catch. My sword is longer.
Okay, guys. Well, I need to replace something. We're having some technical difficulties.
Can I use tape because this would be really cool at the end of my sword.
Okay, Dad, you need something to hold it. Well, that's just cheating.
I'm not sure you gave me pieces that'll work.
Hey, first of all, I don't have any either. Hey, Dad, wait, Dad, do you have one of these? Do you have something that has holes?
Yes, but it falls out. See? Oh, yes, it falls out.
Just keep. Okay, guys.
So
here is my build. Except I still have more pieces, so I can do more. Guys, I have a complete. He has a sword that has a bionicle axe, I guess. Anyways, so it's now my turn. Guys, I am sad.
Lose all your pieces.
That means I still get more turns. I need to take out everything.
Alright. I'm going to pick mine, and I get 3. So let's see, I have 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Not 3.
I'm doing sequential numbers.
Okay, let's go. I got a 4. Yes. Okay, 4. I got a 4. Yes, guys. Go back up. 1,
2, 3.
2.
My sword will have wheels, apparently.
Huh? Wait, you're making a Hot Wheel?
Well, you know one.
Guys, I think he's trying to make a Hot Wheel.
My sword is going to have wheels.
Okay, so you can make a Hot Wheel.
Why would I make a Hot Wheel? I'm just making a sword.
And here's the
My direction says.
Okay, guys, so here's my bow so far. Since I got these all your pieces, okay, now go. Lose a turn.
1.
Wait a second, that's the top.
I didn't think it's your reason. Why are you trying to cheat?
I'm not. Lose a turn.
How did you know it would lose a turn?
Because
it was upside down.
Through it. Free.
You were looking through it, so you're cheating. You're setting me up. Aha!
Okay, guys, I'm gonna shuffle this.
Sneaky. Wait a second. Why are you taking my old ones that are already done? He's cheating.
Okay, guys, I'm so sorry. But yeah, if you look really close. I'm sorry. I was a cheater doing this. So I shuffled it up. Okay. I got a free. Good. Wait! Okay, guys, I'm gonna have to shuffle. I'm just gonna have to put that in the back. Okay, so I get a free.
Alright, I get a 1. Again.
Wait, 1, 2, 3. God, I bless you. Please give me a 5. Please give me 5. Please give me a 5. Please give me a 5.
This is my sword. I can't see where it's at. Oh, there it is. Just so you know, for the technical aspect of this, we have a monitor right behind the camera, so we can see what we're looking at, make sure we're staying in frame. So this is my current
God gave me what I wanted. God gave me what I wanted.
You got a 5? Mm-hmm.
God gave me. Thank you, Jesus, oh my Lord. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, that's better. So now my sword has claws at the end and wheels, so that way I don't have to carry it. This is for the night on the go. They just kind of roll it behind them, and you know, they don't have to carry it.
Okay, guys, this is going to be my dad's last turn, and then we're going to go to knots.
Ooh, I got a 5.
Are you serious?
I think that'll probably be the rest of my bag.
Guys, okay, guys. Guys.
Okay, so I have my 5, and you are...
I am finished.
Finished?
Because I told my dad we probably need to stop soon, because the camera keeps turning off, so we're going to have to edit all together, and because we're going to go to knots. So, perfect. Anyways, so I'm going to tell you my features. I have a police symbol on the top of my fin. I have a wheel for a jet, and I have mustard. I have 2 mustard blades. I have something to keep the water out of my way, and that's my boat. Here we go. Here's the side. Here's the other side, and here's the front. Here's the back.
Okay, so I have the sword for the night on the go. It's got wheels in the back, so it can be dragged along by the horse. But then when it goes to impale people, you have the little claws there, so you just kind of jab them.
Night on the go, what's that?
The person who's leaving. So a night on the go is the knight that has to go slay the dragon. So he's on the go. So he's got his horse with him. So he doesn't want to carry his sword because it's uncomfortable on his saddle as it goes up and down, up and down. So he could drag this behind him on the horse, and then he won't have to worry about it because he's feeling a little lazy today.
Okay. My goal is trying to make $1,000 brats. I don't know how to pronounce his name with you.
Balthazar Brat.
$1,000 brats. I was trying to go for his kind of ship, except I don't have any gray pieces that are like fins that go spiky, and they're opposite. So I said, hey, it's Ronald McDonald, because I have a yellow and red. My goal was trying to make Brat's ship. And this is me. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like and subscribe. Leave a comment. I always try to make the comments. And I'll see you on Lost Very Fun.
Oh, and don't forget to tell us who won.
Oh yeah, leave that in the comments, because if you don't, we don't know. Okay. Anyway guys, have a great day, and I'll see you on Lost Very Fun.